It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to password protect a folder on your Windows laptop. Step by step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to password protect a folder on Windows laptop. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to use this particular folder right here. So what I'm going to do is to make sure I click on the folder. Then after click on the folder, I will right click on the folder. Then I have to make sure I choose add to Anki. Then this is going to pump up. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that hardware is checked. Then I have to come down below right here and make sure I click on set password. Then right here you have to enter your password, then retype your password, then make sure a script file name is checked, then click on OK. Finally, come down below here, make sure you click on OK. Then you are done. So you have the file protected with password right here. So anybody you send this file to, you have to give them the password, or if you want to open the file, you have to make sure you open it with password. So let's check it out. So I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard now just to open these particular folders. Then it asks me to enter password. So I will just enter the password I use. Then I'll click on OK. So you have the folder open successful. So I can simply click on here, then we have all files in the folder. So this is how to password protect any folder on Windows PC, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.